Now, if you've mistakenly hurt someone or find out you've been rude to someone, it's only nice to apologize. Yet, when it comes to certain things that have to do with you and your life, today we'll be looking at 4 things you do not need to apologize for. Number 1, your personal growth. Growing at your own pace is never something you need to apologize for. This is because for every single thing in this life, especially processes and experiences, every single person goes through different paths, and no two paths, no matter how similar, are ever alike. This very well applies to your personal growth. It's okay to grow slow. It's also okay to give yourself time. A wise person once said that when it comes to your own growth, speed does not matter, as long as you're making progress. I've talked a number of times about not being afraid to take slow or small little strides, as well as to take baby steps, one step at a time. Many times, when it comes to your own personal growth, taking it one day at a time is fine. See, we all grow at different rates, and that's okay. So you do not have to apologize for being behind or for even making any improvements. Even flowers, when planted, they do not all bloom at the same time. They do not all bloom at the same pace. Yet, that speed doesn't matter. Forward is forward. So like blooming flowers, bloom at your own pace. Don't rush the process. Allow yourself to grow at your own pace. Stop comparing your life to what other people are achieving or not achieving. Like another wise person once said, nature doesn't hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Very well said. Number 2, your me time. We've previously looked at cool week or weekend activities you can do for your me time here in this video, so check it out later. I've even called it a me time game to ensure we actually go all out, and it's really about self-care, taking time out to care for yourself. For your me time, it is very important for you to take time out for yourself and to find clarity, mind clarity. The most important relationship is the one you have with yourself. So do note that it is not selfish at all to take care of yourself. Whenever you take time to replenish your body, your soul, and your spirit, you have nothing to apologize for. And you can start by watching the Self-Care Hub playlist to give you helpful tips. I'll link that in. So put your problems on pause and do some something nice for yourself today. Be still, breathe, take a break. Give yourself the same care and attention that you give to others and watch yourself bloom. Restore yourself. So every time you use in making yourself feel better is worth spending and should never be apologized for. Self-care and having me time is like fuel, as it allows you to replenish, to restore yourself, and it allows your light to shine brightly. So allow yourself, without being apologetic for it, to enjoy each happy moment of your precious life. Number 3, your priorities. There are many helpful practices and routine that you have that helps you stay grounded and preserve your energy that many people may have issues with. The important thing here is to ensure that you're doing what improves you, irrespective of what anyone may be thinking. So if praying and meditating is a priority for your growth, and your well-being. You do not have to apologize for doing it in your own time, even if you have to be absent for some social functions. I love a quote by Frank Sonnenberg that says, "Make yourself and your priorities a priority. Know what matters most to you and be unwilling to compromise those priorities at almost any price." So yes, I agree. Make yourself a priority. Prioritize what needs to be a priority in your life, because at the end of the day, you are your longest commitment. So you do not have to apologize for once in a while, making yourself and your priorities top of mind for you. It is not selfish, like I said earlier. It is necessary for your improvement and your well-being. Making things like self-care activities a priority will invariably bring you very good outcomes. Some very cool people I admire put it this way, in my words and theirs: you won't always be a priority to others, and that's why you need to be a priority to yourself. Learn to respect yourself, learn to take care of yourself, and become your own cheerleader. Become your own support system. Your needs matter, okay? And all your wants, your needs, start meeting the important ones first, because you are your priority anyway. So you need to choose yourself today and choose yourself again tomorrow. Do not apologize for choosing yourself first, as long as it helps you to learn how to choose others next, okay? Number 4, your imperfections. Yes, you do not need to apologize for your imperfections, because no one is perfect on this earth. I always emphasize the need to do things in an excellent way, yet not striving for perfection. Just because it's okay to be messy doesn't mean we should not make an effort to do things well, yet do things as best you can and do not worry about whether it's perfect or what others think about it. I'm not advocating for sloppiness. I'm only saying that you need to give yourself room to learn from your failures and to grow at your own pace without having to apologize for it. Learn when to, be sorry if you need to, yet if it's about your own personal self-development, your imperfections are not another person's business, unless they're offering you, tips which you can decide how to take and how to absorb. And why I love coaching is because it's not about you must do this. Coaching, it's about this is what you can do. This can be helpful for you. This works for me. It could work for you too, and so on. Okay? Let me know your insights. That's what coaching is all about. The truth is that your imperfections make you unique. So you need to love yourself as you are. Imperfections, flaws, and all. Okay? Love your strengths, love your weaknesses, embrace them all. Okay? Make room for improvements as best you can, and keep going forward. So which of these points resonates with you the most? Feel free to share with us in the comments. Remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day.